In reality, no, you don't really need insurance, but there's two sorts of, legal requirement insurances that you should have. One is motor insurance and one is employer's liability. Those two types of insurance are compulsory. So if you're a charity and you're actually employing people, then yes, you have to have insurance. And it's always best to make sure that charity's, correctly covered for all of their activities. E.g., people are out fundraising for the charity, doing, fun days, etc., or collections. If someone's hurt during one of those collections, you want to make sure that your volunteers are covered correctly. If there's a very serious injury, that should they need to make a claim, that you have the right cover for the, your activities that your charity does. So charities quite often give advice, so having professional indemnity cover to make sure that the advice that you've given is correct and that there's no backlash with the charity. Management liability cover, trustees cover, the list can go on and on and on. But to make sure that a charity is covered correctly, to get a correct charity policy from a broker that knows what they're doing, you'll find that a lot of these things will be ticked off under one umbrella for a charity. So, we deal with charities paying, £300-400 a year for the insurance because they're small, social welfare charities, to larger charities paying £10,000-15,000 a year. We've got people employed, going out fundraising, going out doing corporate events, golf days, and even housing people, vulnerable adults in housing situations, making sure that they're taken off the streets, the homeless are taken off the streets, and then getting them back into socialising them or climatising them back into normal society and getting them out, back into the normal, the normal world. What there is normal of it at the moment, but charities, yes, yeah, definitely, and making sure that you've got the right cover is crucial.